My name is Joga Rao. I am the founding chairman and the managing director. Our business ethics are trust and belief to carry out the business in the most professional, ethical and open book policy type of business, transparent business. Our company's success is dependent on the trust we gain from the customers by delivering the project within time frame and also at highest quality standards. Our company is certainly different from various organizations. As an entrepreneur, I have worked more than 15 years overseas, and I bring in the international construction procedures and processes in our organization, and I am very sure that these type of procedures and processes are hardly implemented in India. So there is a lot of potential in India for these kind of organizations, and this is the cutting edge for us compared to the other business organizations. Our business philosophy is to share the information with our investors, with our customers and with our employees in an open book policy, so that we get a timely feedback from all the stakeholders, and by virtue of that we will be able to deliver the best of the possible product to the end user and the investor. The biggest project so far has been the residential project at Gachibowli, Hyderabad. We are developing a project with 20 flats in an apartment building. We are completing the project within 12 months, and we are on schedule, and we are hell-bent to complete the project within 12 months to the customers. Regular updates have been given to the customers on the progress, and they are extremely happy.